saying.
The
Look.
Hollywood sign is there. See, we have to go closer to take a picture.
Okay.
We're not gonna go up, just down somewhere
Yeah, just
on the
take
street
picture.
just to take some pictures in the background.
Yeah. It's cool. Here's the Hollywood sign over there. Up. More down. That one.
Everyone in
Hollywood.
Los Angeles is gonna see that, and then the
Hollywood.
Was there? Hollywood sign.
Let's make video, edit later.
Okay.
See? That's Hollywood.
Hello, welcome to the Hollywood. And Hala, welcome to the Hollywood. And Jalil. For myself, welcome to the Hollywood. Okay, ito na kami sa room. Tar. Yan ang living room. Ito yung kitchen.
Actually, we can walk. It goes through all the street of Hollywood Street. We'll come back. So we're going to walk us actually.
Okay, this is the bedroom. Yan, first bedroom. And bathroom, connect here. Toilet, sink, shower area, and that's it. Let's go to the second bedroom here. Oops, TV, and that one. Okay, the bathrooms. Here the bathroom. From here, going there. Shower area. And the toilet. And here's the dressing room. Ayan. Dressing room. Ayan. Okay, yan lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Jing. Haha.